How to fix we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games. Now in this video, I'm going to be providing you two common troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. First is make sure that the time that you have on your PC or laptop is properly synced, especially your time zone. Just go into your Windows icon, type in time, and then choose on set the time zone automatically. Now, from your laptop or PC settings, you will be redirected into date and time, and make sure that set time automatically and set time zone automatically are turned on. You also need to make sure that it is fully synced by clicking this option here. Now, next thing to do is to unlink everything that you have from your Rockstar Games. To do so, go into the rockstargames.com's official site. At the top right, click this profile icon right here and click on sign in. And once you've successfully signed in, all I have to do next is to go into your Rockstar Game settings and then choose on account linking. In the next page, you should be able to see all your linked accounts. Simply unlink everything, close everything, restart your PC, and relink everything that you have unlinked earlier. So those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games.